How to delete Warframe account. Open any browser of your choice, and on the web address bar you need to type in Warframe support. Press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to the result section where you have to click on Warframe support link. Now on this official site of Warframe account, click on account support. Now on this page you have to select how can I delete my account link. Now you have to click on you can submit your request here. So let's click on here. So waiting some seconds to open your request will lead you to this login page where you can click on login button at the top right corner of the screen. Just click on it, or here you can also log in with your PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch or iOS device as well. And here you need to enter the email address and password. If you want to remember the password, you can check mark this box. If you forget password, you can click on this forget password link and reset from there. After you logged in, you need to go through the on-screen prompts and easily delete your Warframe account. So that's how we easily delete Warframe account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.